Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Myself Chitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota welcome you all in the new session. So kids, in the previous class we have already learnt about capital and small letter B. Capital and small letter B. So today we will learn to trace and write capital and small letter C. Capital and small letter C. So everyone take out your Grafalco, open page number 8. Parents are requested to mention date and classwork at the top. So kids, look here, what is this? This is C for car, C for car, and this one is C for cat, C for cat. Okay kids, now take out your pencil everyone. First we will trace capital letter C. First we will trace capital letter C. So kids, look here, put your pencil here, start from this line, make one long curve, okay? Touch this line properly like this, okay? You have to make one long curve. You have to cover these 3 lines. So come to next one kids. Look here. Again you have to draw one long curve. You have to start from here. Touch first line. Touch second line. And touch third line. This is capital letter C. This is capital letter C. Okay kids? Now we will write this letter on dot. So look here everyone. Put your pencil here. Make one long curve. Like this. Okay kids? You have to touch these lines properly. Now next one. Put your pencil here. Touch this line. Draw one long curve. Like this. One more time kids. Look here. Keep your pencil here. Make one long curve. Touch second line. Touch third line. Like this. Okay kids? C for car. C for car. Now look here kids. One more time. Put your pencil here. Make one long curve. Like this. One more time. Put your pencil here. Touch this line. Touch second line. Touch third line. Okay? Like this. One last time kids. Look here. Put your pencil here. Touch this line. Touch second line. Touch third line. This is capital letter C. Capital letter C. Now kids, move to next page. Open page number 9. Now we will trace small letter C. Now we will trace small letter C. Look here kids, this is small letter C. Let's start tracing. Put your pencil here. Make one small curve like this. You have to draw this letter in between these 2 lines. Okay kids? One more time, look here. Put your pencil here. Touch first line. Draw small curve. Touch second line. Okay kids? Now let's write this letter on dot. So look here kids. Put your pencil here. Touch this line. Make small curve. Touch second line. Like this. Write very neatly kids. Put your pencil here. Touch this line. Small curve. Touch second line. C for cat. C for cat. One more time, kids. Look here. Put your pencil here. Touch first line. Small curve. Touch second line. C for cat. Yes, kids. Look here again. Put your pencil here. Touch this line. Make small curve and touch second line like this. Again, put your pencil here. Touch first line. Small curve. Touch second line. Okay? Let's do it last time. Put your pencil here. Touch first line. Small curve. Touch second line. Like this. Okay, kids? So you have to complete pages 8 and 9 of your Graphalco book. Now ma'am is showing you some objects related to capital and small letter C. So kids, look here. What is this? This is C for cup. This is C for cup. And tell me, what is this? Tell me, kids. Yes, C for circle. C for circle. Okay, kids? Trace and write capital and small letter D. Capital and small letter D. Okay, kids? So take out your Graphalco. Open page number 11. Parents are requested to mention date and classwork at the top. So kids, let's see some pictures related to capital and small letter D. So look here, kids. What is this? This is D for dog. D for dog. Now tell me, what is this? Yes? Drum. D for drum. D for drum. Now see, what is this? Yes, it is duck. D for duck. D for duck. Okay, kids? So everyone, take out your pencil. And first we will trace capital letter D. First we will trace capital letter D. Okay, so look here everyone. Put your pencil here. Make one standing line. Touch second line. Touch third line. Okay, kids? Now make one long curve. Touch first line. Touch second line. Touch third line. This is capital letter D. Capital letter D. One more time, kids. Put your pencil here. Start from first line. Make one standing line. Touch these lines properly, kids. You have to make this letter, okay, in between these three lines. Now, make one long curve. Touch first line. Touch second line. And touch third line. Like this. Okay, now let's write this letter on dot. So look here, kids. First, we have to make one standing line. Like this. Then one long curve. Okay, kids? Like this. One more time. Put your pencil here. Draw one standing line. Touch second line. Touch third line. Then you have to make one long curve. From here. Like this. Okay, kids? Letter D. Capital letter D. Again, draw one standing line and one long curve. Like this. Capital letter D for dog. D for dog. One more time, kids. Make one standing line, then long curve. One more time, kids. Make one standing line, touch these lines properly. Draw one long curve like this. One last time, kids. One standing line and one long curve like this. Okay, kids. Now come to next page. Now open page number 12. Okay. Now we will trace small letter D. Now we will trace small letter D. So look here. What we have to do? First we have to make one standing line. Touch these lines properly, kids. Like this. Okay? Then you have to start making one curve from here. Touch third line. Okay, kids? You have to draw this standing line in between these three lines. Okay? And this curve in between these two lines. Now one more time, kids. Draw one standing line like this. Then from here you have to draw small curve like this. Standing line, then one small curve. Now kids, after this, let's write this letter on single dot. So look here. Draw one standing line. Start from first line, kids. Touch second line. Touch third line. Now from here you have to draw one small curve like this. Okay? Again, kids, make one standing line like this. Then from here you have to draw one small curve like this. D for duck. D for duck. Look here, kids. Again, draw one standing line in between these three lines. Okay, then you have to draw one small curve like this in between these two lines. Look here, kids, properly. Draw one standing line, then small curve. Okay, standing line, small curve like this. One more time, kids. Look here, everyone. Draw one standing line. Touch these lines properly, kids, and write neatly. Now make one small curve like this. Small letter D. Small letter D. Last time, kids, look here. One standing line. Then from here you have to draw one small curve like this. Small letter D. Small letter D. Okay, kids, now let's see some objects related to letter D. So kids, tell me, what is this? Yes, kids, tell me. This is doll. D for doll. D for doll. One more thing, kids. Tell me, what is this? This is D for drum. D for drum. One last thing, kids. Tell me, what is this? Yes, this is D for dog. D for dog. Okay, kids? Now, kids, you have to complete pages 11 and 12 in your Grafalco Till then, take care. Bye-bye, everyone.